So in this chapter, all the sums you should always do with the drawings, and that drawing is the Pythagoras triangle should be drawn in this way. Okay. So that angle of consideration should be in a right side. Here in the first problem, this triangle AB, a right angle at B, it is mentioned. ABC triangle is given. So you should think like, okay, you are observing from point A, and this is a coconut tree, and whose height is this, and distance from the point you are standing. See, you are observing from here. So you are standing here. So here, this is the foot of the coconut plant, and this is the height. So BC is the height, and this is the base. Okay, this is the way you should draw your base diagram. Once this is done, for example, this problem here, AB is given as a 24 centimeter. This is 24 centimeter, and BC is given, which is a height, that is a 7 centimeter. Okay, so with this, it is asked to calculate sine A and cos A. So it is asked sine A and cos A. So definition of sine A, you should know always that. Okay, so here base height, and this is the opposite of this 90 degree. This side, AC side, is opposite to the angle of 90 degrees. So this is called hypotenuse. Okay, so now, and so this is obviously a Pythagoras triangle, and in that Pythagoras triangle, one very important, the relation which is almost in every problem in this chapter you have to follow, that is, see, this height square base square, height square plus base square equal to hypotenuse square. So for simplicity, or for shorthand, we write A, B and C, and relation here is A square plus B square equal to C square. This relation to be used to find out between these three sides. This is the only one relation exists. Okay, so using these relations you can find out if any one of them is not there. See, in this example, see, okay, next we'll see that what is the sine A. So A means this is your angle of concentration, you are standing here. So where you are standing from, opposite of this angle is this. So this is a height. So from the angle of consideration, if you see that which is the opposite side, so that is the height. So sine A is always height by hypotenuse. So that means, what is height? Height is given as a 7. One part is fine, but hypotenuse here is not given. So to find this hypotenuse, what we have to use? We have to use this formula, that height square plus base square equal to hypotenuse square. A square plus b square equal to c square. So here it is given 7 square plus base is 24 square equal to c square. C square means a hypotenuse square. So from here, this is 49 plus 24 into 24. So this part to be calculated. So quickly let us calculate here. 24 into 24. So this is 96 and 48. So 6 576. So this is 576 equal to c square. Now if we add this thing, we get 625 square. So that means this is coming as a 25. So that means this hypotenuse became 25. Now so for sine A, 7 by 25. Okay, now let us find out the value of cos A. Next it is asked cos A. So cos A definition is base by hypotenuse. So here if you observe, base is 24 and hypotenuse we have found out 25. So this is the way you have to find the sine A and cos A of this. Next part of this calculation is in a same diagram it is asked what is the value of sine C and cos C. See here, sine C. That means now your eye should go here. That means this is the angle of consideration. So with respect to this, immediately you have to think that okay, what is your height now? Opposite of this is a height now. So AB will be height. So here this is become AB. This is the height by hypotenuse is AC. So AB is given as a 24 and hypotenuse is 25. Sine C. And next part is cos C. So for cos C, so if you're here, so base is now BC by AC. BC is given as a 7 and your AC is 25. So this is sin C, this is the cos C. So here in this problem, that your main learning here is that angle of consideration. If it is a see that here when it is told sin C, so with respect to this angle C, your height and base, this became height and this became base. Hypotenuse remains always same. So and first case was with respect to this angle. With respect to this angle, this is a height, this is the base. This is the learning of these questions.